I lost my sister probably 18 months ago to cancer, and she was the most positive person I've ever met, and we maintained that throughout. So being anything but positive felt like a disservice to her, and we sort of lived. We don't squander time. I'm pretty good at it round Raglan while I'm retired, but all that's done with bothering people in the nicest possible way I can, and just being an ear for people. And I think given a lot of young people around here, there is some that look on us as a parental figure who'll give bad advice, like I've already demonstrated. But it's just, I heard a very great thing that, and this is probably waffling on a bit, but there's a professor in Aotearoa that held a glass of water out and asked how heavy it was. And people told him what they thought. And he says, well, how long do you think I could hold that glass? And it was like an hour. Yeah, no problem. Could hold it for a day, could hold it for 2 days. He said, that glass of water is like a problem. The longer you hold on to it, the heavier it gets. I thought that was a great analogy. And I remind people of that sometimes, that just sharing it can completely take the load off.